client came to me saying, Abhishek, I have run so many ads, I've tested everything and nothing is working. Basically, he was frustrated, clueless, and almost ready to give up. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I take such accounts in this condition and turn it around. The main issue, high cost per lead. And this is after they have tried every single hack they could find on YouTube. And before I dive into the ads, I always look at the bigger picture because 90% of the time, ads is just one piece of the puzzle. And after looking everything, here is what they could have done better overall. Number one, build a email list. They have spent a lot of money on the ads. They have like so much of registrations and customers in the past. But what they were missing out was on email marketing. You should not always rely 100% on the ads. Number two is be active on social media. So before running ads, they were very active on social media, but after seeing some traction from ads, they were like 100% onto the ads. They stopped like working on organically posting, and that's where the performance of the ads also starts dropping. Number three is reviews and testimonials. I found less reviews and testimonials on their website and the landing page that they were redirecting onto their traffic. And we all know social proof sells like better than any of the ad copy and the ad script. Number four, and this is my personal suggestion, to get involved into PR activities. So you are also discoverable not just on the ads but also outside the ads. So all these points that we discussed were my observation. Now let's just dive into their meta ad account and see what were the actual mistakes that they were making and why exactly they were not able to scale their ad account. So number one was not testing out enough ad creatives. So they were just having some 5-10 creatives and they have just tested out with every audience possible, from lookalikes, retargeting, interest based. For every single audience, they were only using these 5 to 10 creatives. So the second big mistake I found was poor campaign structure. In some campaigns, I found that audience was too narrow, 3-layer, 4-layer of targeting. In some campaign, I found that lookalikes was stacked with interest based targeting, and this is not a success strategies. These are like complex strategies, and that will not give you like the results that you desire. So the third mistake that I found was vague retargeting efforts, where like old campaigns were given like 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees per day of ad budget. These retargeting campaigns were just given like 500 and 600 rupees of daily budget. The fourth mistake that I found was ignoring lookalikes. I only find one audience that was lookalike website visitors. Apart from that, I didn't find any lookalikes. The best lookalikes that these guys could have tested out is lookalikes of their customer or people who have already registered for their webinar after paying a small fees. So the fifth mistake that I found was events were not set up correctly, and for every single webinar they were changing their landing page, plus they were initiating like new events for a new landing page. And the last one, they were having no scaling strategy, plus they were not even reporting their daily tracking of what exactly they were spending and what exactly they were getting in return. These were all the observation and mistake that I found in their ad account. Now let's just talk about the action plan, how exactly you have to get started. Now if it was a new account, I would have tested some image ads at the first, cause image ads are like very fast to test and it gives you like instant results, and you definitely need some small wins before you actually jump into the real game. So this client has already spent a lot of money on the ads. So what I did is I jumped into their ad account and start finding the ads on which they have spent maximum amount of money. Because if somebody is spending money on some ads, definitely those were profitable. Now I will run this ad for few days based on my structure and collect some data to see what exactly is going on. I do look at the vanity metrics, but I always dig deeper. And from here, I always ask, is it an ad problem or a sales problem? And if it's an ad problem, here is my breakdown. And if it's an ad problem, I check out these metrics: CTR, CPM, and CPL. CTR tells me about the creative problem. CPM tells me about the audience problem. And CPL tells me about creative problem, audience problem, offer problem, plus the landing page problem. And when I know about where exactly the problem is, I can easily fix it up. So that is how I onboard a client step by step. I give them like full observation of their ad account, what they could have done, their mistake, and a customized action plan step by step. I hope you like this video. Let me know your feedbacks in the comments. And if you are facing any challenges in your ad account right now or with the meta ads, just tell me in the comment section and I will see you in the next.